Have you ever paused to ruminate about the tantalizing concept, what if machines were the rulers of the world? This provocative proposition has been at the epicenter of countless novels, films, and revolutionary experiments, ensnaring the minds of spectators and creators alike. It's a concept that has been given life in numerous ways, through the creative prowess of authors, the digital wizardry of filmmakers, the imaginative genius of inventors. But before we allow our unrestrained imaginations to wander, it is essential to trace the origin of these mechanical marvels. The allure of every beginning lies in its simplicity, a concept that rings especially true for our engineered counterparts. The aspiration to construct a synthetic entity did not suddenly emerge with the advent of the 21st century. Far from it, in fact. Instead, it's an enduring desire that can be traced back to the bygone era of early societies, civilizations that were far removed from our present technological landscape. The idea mimic human behavior, emulate our responses, mirror our actions, was as revolutionary then as it is. The civilization of ancient Greece in particular holds a special place in this narrative. The ancient Greeks were the pioneering trailblazers of the concept of automata, a term derived from their own language that signifies self-acting. These were not just simple mechanisms or rudimentary devices. They were marvels of engineering and design, created to be self-operating, furnished with the extraordinary capability to imitate human behavior. This was a concept far ahead of its time, a radical idea that challenged the status quo and dared to imagine a world where machines could perform tasks previously. Automata were not just idle curiosities or frivolous playthings. They represented a spark of inspiration, a tangible embodiment of humanity's ceaseless quest to push the boundaries of what is possible. They were the earliest precursors to the modern robots that we are familiar with today. From these humble beginnings, we have seen a remarkable evolution in the field of robotics. From the ancient Greek automata to the programmable machines of the Industrial Revolution, from the rudimentary devices of the early 20th century to the sophisticated AI-powered robots, each innovation, each pioneering invention carries the legacy of those ancient Greek visionaries. By understanding our past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the present and a clearer vision for the future. We see how far we have come in our quest to create lifelike machines. We marvel leaps and bounds we have made. Yet we also recognize the vast potential that lies ahead. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries, the dream of a world ruled by machines may not be as far-fetched as it once seemed. The vision of creating a synthetic being didn't just surface in the 21st century, far from it. Rather, it's an enduring dream that harks back to the times of early societies. The concept of devices mimicking human behavior can be traced back to the civilization of ancient Greece. The ancient Greeks were the prophetic trailblazers of the notion of automata, a term derived from the Greek language signifying self-acting. These were mechanisms that were designed to be self-operating, equipped with the remarkable capability to imitate human behavior. This was a revolutionary idea for its era, laying the foundation for what we now understand as robotics. In the heart of the 20th century, significant strides towards the advancement of modern robotics were made. This remarkable journey began in the year 1954, when an enterprising inventor, George Devil, introduced to the world a revolutionary concept in the form of a programmable robot. This mechanical wonder was christened Unimate, a name that would go on to become synonymous with the dawn of automation in the industrial sector. Unimate was far from just another mechanical invention. It was a groundbreaking development that heralded the beginning of a new era. It was an industrial robot, meticulously fashioned with a singular purpose in mind: to transport materials with a level of efficiency and speed that had never been witnessed before. The arrival of Unimate marked the advent of industrial automation, creating an epoch in human history when machines started to replace manual labor in many sectors. Unimate was not just an invention but the first of its kind, a pioneer that laid the groundwork for an entire revolution. It sparked a radical transformation in the manufacturing industry, paving the way for a new age where robots and machines would rule production lines. This was a turning point, a milestone that defined the future trajectory of the world of industrial automation. The innovative concept of DeVol did more than just revolutionize the manufacturing industry. It ignited the flame for a whole new era in robotics, an era that would witness extraordinary breakthroughs and advancements in the field. Among the many significant developments that came to define this era was the creation arm. This mechanical wonder was crafted by the experts at Stanford University. Introduced to the world in the late 1960s, this robot was a modern marvel, a testament to human ingenuity and technological prowess. Unlike its predecessors, the Stanford arm was entirely electronic and controlled by a computer, demonstrating the impressive leaps being made in technology at the time. The success of the Stanford arm represented a crucial leap forward for the world of robotics. It established the foundation for the seamless integration of computers and robotics, a necessary requirement for the further evolution of robotic technology. As a result, the Stanford arm became another significant milestone in the fascinating journey of robotic evolution. As the years rolled on, the field of robotics didn't just progress slowly, it skyrocketed at an unprecedented speed. The advancements in robotics surged exponentially, pushing the boundaries of what was once considered impossible. This rapid pace of development led us into a whole new era, the era of humanoid robots. As we entered the early years of the 21st century, one company stood out in this new era: Honda. The automobile giant made a groundbreaking introduction to the world of robotics with Asimo, a humanoid robot that was a marvel in the world of robotic engineering. Asimo was no ordinary robot. It was capable of performing functions that were once thought impossible for a robot. It could walk on 2 feet like a human, run at fast speeds without losing balance, and even carry a tray, demonstrating the remarkable progress that had been made in the field of robotics. The presentation of Asimo was not merely a product launch, it was a spectacle, a testament reflecting the distance we've traveled in the realm of robotic. Today, robots serve humanity in countless ways. From aiding in intricate surgical methods to lending a hand in disaster relief efforts, robots have made their undeniable presence felt across various industries. What was once confined to the realm of science fiction has now permeated our day-to-day existence, essentially becoming indispensable to us. Robots engage in the assembly of our vehicles, ensuring precision and efficiency with every unit. They diligently clean our homes, navigating around obstacles, making our lives simpler and more convenient. They brave the unfathomable depths of space, exploring the unknown, and providing valuable insights about the universe that we inhabit. These mechanical entities are also becoming more sophisticated and capable. The field of robotics is at the forefront of technological innovation, making leaps and bounds in the development of artificial intelligence. These advances have opened up exciting possibilities, fueling our imagination as to what may lie ahead. The potential for robots to supersede human capabilities is a tantalizing prospect. The line of demarcation between man and machine is blurring. Robots are no longer just tools, but partners that are capable of learning, adapting, and evolving. The question of if robots will eclipse human capabilities has shifted to when, reflecting the collective acknowledgement of the inevitable rise of robotics. Yet, as we marvel at these advancements and eagerly anticipate the future, we must also remember to maintain a balanced perspective. It is crucial to consider the social, ethical, and legal implications of the widespread use of robotics. How will society adjust to this new paradigm? What regulatory measures will need to be introduced to ensure responsible use and avoid misuse? How will we safeguard human dignity and rights in an increasingly mechanized world? These are pressing questions that require thoughtful deliberation as we continue to innovate and transform the world around us. The question now isn't about their existence or their capabilities, but about how we as a society will adapt and grow with them. In summary, the journey of robots is a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. Starting from the ancient concept of automata to modern AI-powered robotics, these mechanical marvels have come a long way. They've evolved from simple machines to complex entities capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the sole domain of humans. The story of robots isn't just about technology. It's about us, our dreams, our fears, our future. It's a story that continues to unfold, shaping and reshaping our world in ways we can only begin to imagine.